All right, guys, I absolutely love this technique. It's bananas. I came up with it myself. No, but seriously, this technique is so powerful because it has the customer sell you on why they need your product or service. And you have to do it in like a certain order, right? And here it is, right? It's like, help me out with something. So that's the first part, and you're gonna have to, you'll see that in a second when you go through the slide, but script that out, write that out, take notes to the left of the module. However you take notes, I love next to the module, but anyway, help me out with something, right? That's step one. Step two is, let's make an assumption for a second, and you future pace them in NLP as we call it, right? You take them into the future. So help me understand something. Let's assume, notice the way I'm saying that. Let's assume for a second that we have the best fill in your product or service, the best, absolute best voice over IP telephone service out there. And let's assume that it saved you money to the tune of X, Y, and Z, right? How would that benefit you? Or how would we make sure, where you can go a million directions with this, that it wouldn't be blocked by other people in the decision-making process? Or how would we implement that? Or how would we handle the natural resistance we're going to get from the new users on the phone system where it's something new? Get it? So it's like there's a million directions you can go here, right? So you have them sell you. You can also use it to eliminate an objection like I just did, right? But your future pacing, which is another powerful thing, right? Let's make an assumption here. Let's say I got you the increase in sales. Let's say I lowered your price on whatever, right? How would that, here's another direction, how would that benefit you? Or what would that really mean to you? Or get it? There's a million tentacles you can go, and they start, and they sell you on it. It's nuts. It's a bananas technique. I love this technique. So again, the sequence is, right, almost like scratching your head. So help me understand something. Let's assume that, and you go into the future, how would that, and then you go whichever tentacle you want. Enjoy. I'll see you at the next live session. Bye.
So help me understand how, let's make an assumption for a second. We have incredibly valuable techniques to share with you that would increase your close ratio for your salesperson. How would that fit into your model? Meaning, are there new accounts besides what you guys want to have, or is the only one? Yeah.
Yeah, there's going to be a multiple, as far as potential people finding us online themselves, and that's how we built our business currently. So we call them our own customers. No one's provided them for us. Other ones brings to us doesn't mean they're ready to buy. They still have to be informed, seeing the value of what we have to offer, and then being able to purchase from that. So kill a sales process with that. It's not I wish they would just bring them to me and a nice order taker.
Yeah.
That'd be the perfect world, right?
That's right. That's like when people ask us, hey, do you